Are you thinking about working with kids? My name is Brian Cabarrus of Faithful Few Incorporated, and here are 3 things to think about before you take that step. Number 1, you must actually like kids. Think about something you don't like doing. Now imagine doing it all day, every day, while getting underpaid and underappreciated while you do it. Having a passion and desire to help young people helps to make all of that worth it. Number 2, you must have a lot of patience. The mathematical formula for the average child is a ton of energy plus a short attention span, which will equal a long day for you. Now multiply that by 20 and you have your hands full from start to finish. Kids also play off the atmosphere of a room, so one hyper child can become a room full of hyper children. But I'll show you how to handle that in another video. Number 3, you'll need tough skin. People who work with kids for the first time usually assume that all kids are like the ones in their family. They are not. Kids come from different households, belief systems, rules, and boundaries. They may do or say things that hurt your feelings. Don't take it personally. They're still growing, but it's something you'll need to consider because kids also know when you lack confidence in working with them. Stay tuned for more tips and feel free to visit our website to book a workshop. Stay safe and stay encouraged.